Think in English and stop translating. This is what a lot of you are really wanting to do. Hi, I'm Miss Kathy. Do you translate in your head when you speak English? Today, I'm going to help you think in English step by step. Don't worry about mistakes. Just think and speak with me. In this lesson, I will give you a situation. You pause, you think in English, and then I will help you. Let's get started. Okay, our scenario number 1 is morning. Imagine you wake up in the morning. What do you think? Pause the video. Good. Here are some simple ideas. I am tired. I need coffee. I don't want to wake up. Simple is perfect. Your turn. Very good. Scenario 2. You feel hungry. Okay, you're hungry. What do you think? Stop the video, pause, and think. Some examples are I am hungry. I want to eat. I want food. Your turn. Very good. Scenario 3. Checking your phone. You look at your phone. What do you think? Pause and speak. Here are some examples. Ooh, no messages. I have a message. I need to reply. Your turn. Very good. Good job. You don't need big sentences. Fluent English is often simple English. Scenario 4. You are late. You are late. What do you think? Pause the video. Here are some examples. I am late. I need to hurry. Oh no! Your turn. Very good. Scenario number 5, at a shop. Scenario number 5, at a shop. You see something you like in a shop. What do you think? Pause the video. I like this. This is nice. I want this. Your turn. Very good. Scenario 6. You are happy. Something good happens. What do you think? Pause the video. Here are some examples. I am so happy. This is great. That is amazing. Your turn. Very good. Well done. This is how fluent people think. Simple, fast, natural. You are learning to do the same. Now, one more time. Think about your day today. Let's say 1 or 2 sentences in English. Pause the video. You can let me know in the comments how your day was today. Amazing work today. Remember, don't translate, think simple, speak and practice often. If you want to practice speaking and thinking in English with me live, join my classes. The link is in the description below and comment below. I will think in English. I will reply to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video that is coming out really soon. I will see you in the next video.